Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's no way I am letting go of this Yes4All padded puzzle gym flooring. It really made all the difference in transforming our little space in our garage into a mini gym / storage tool area. The reason why this flooring made such a huge difference is when you're working out and you're getting a lot done, usually your feet get very tired. So it helps so much when you have that extra padding. And because it's puzzle pieces, we have kind of a unique space. Everything is in our garage, but we are also wanting to limit having to go and pay for a gym membership. So that's why we got a foldable weight bench, we have weights, and what really sealed the deal was the flooring. It was so easy to put together, and they have plenty of edging, honestly more than you need, and gives you freedom to do what you need in the space that you have. I love the texture because I don't have to worry that I'm going to slip or lose my balance. It helps with my joints, it helps with my foot health. It really just is an overall good quality that has really made all the difference in our garage. But don't take my word for it, check it out, because that's my point of view.